Large hail almost the size of a tennis ball fell in Anshun County, Guizhou Province. The roofs of the houses were like a sieve. Government officials issued an orange hail warning. According to reports, the hail in a lot of the affected areas was close to the size of an egg, and most of the tiles in the villages that were hit were shattered by hail. Maguan city officials replied that the disaster situation was being counted and all villages were being registered. The windows of cars were shattered by hail and the people inside had nowhere to hide. There were no fatalities recorded, although many people were taken to hospital with minor injuries.